Hello everyone, I'm back with another DXN product experience video. This time I'm going to show you DXN Reishi mushroom powder. It is the mixture of RG and GL powder. It is the same as you have seen in my previous video with RG and GL capsules. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I will pour it on a plate. Okay. As you see, it's light brown. Maybe it looks like cinnamon. Okay, and DXN gives a spoon for it, a measuring spoon, and the daily dosage is written on the box. It says one spoon a day, but it depends on the health condition of the person. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how I take it. It's nothing special. I drink water on it. Okay. Usually I let this reishi powder absorb in my mouth because it has a very beneficial effect on the gums and the teeth also, and this is why DXN also mixes reishi mushroom powder or Ganoderma powder in the toothpaste too. So reishi mushroom powder has a bitter taste, but it doesn't disturb me because I know how beneficial Ganoderma is. Okay, and there is a saying that the more bitter something is, the healthier it is. Okay, and if the taste disturbs you, so you don't like bitter taste, you can also mix it in coffee, in soup, in fruit juice. So you can be as creative as you can. Okay, as it comes to consumption of DXN products and Ganoderma powder. Okay, thank you for your attention. Have an amazing day. Peace. Goodbye.